Ooh, you good? All right, we're at the Frederick watershed again. We got a ton of rain last night, so figure this is probably as good a place as any to go. A lot of rocks. Doesn't get too muddy usually. I think we're gonna head over to Boundary Line. Then we'll probably head over to the steep side, have some fun over there. All right, I think we're gonna stay on Catoctin here. Riding in the wetness is kind of fun every now and then. As long as it's not too wet that you're destroying the trails. These rocks and roots are slippery though. Oh wow, this looks techie. Ah. Ooh, you good? Dang. All right, here we go, some downhill. Made it. Oh, it's pretty with all the ferns. It's really dark out here. I hope the GoPro's doing its thing. I haven't ridden this in like almost a year, so I'm taking it a little easy, being careful. Oh, I'm casing that. Whoops, I was not ready for that. Got that though. The rain makes it so much sketchier. Oh. Oh, I missed that. Oh, come on. Oh, not even close. Case the heck out of that. Ooh, it's wet. Oh, my shoe's soaked now. Ooh, that's interesting. All right, here's the rock garden. Ooh, I don't like that line. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's deep. That run was great. All right, now we're gonna climb up to the steep side. Still climbing, I think we're almost at the top though. Also, just curious, why do they block off Fishing Creek Road? Because you can get to there from the other side. I don't get it, what's the point? This is kind of sketchy, it's loose.
Now we're on Soccer Mom. I've only ever ridden here in the fall. Well, on this side at least. Oh. Oh, barely. Oh, this is cool. Never ridden this one, so is this something? There we go. And I'll try the right. Our plan is to go down Ho. Here's the new jump line they just finished building. Oh yeah, sweet. Nowhere near enough speed for that, jeez. Next time. Yeah, I don't know, that's probably outside my skill level. I'm pretty comfortable on tech. Stuff like that scares me though. Nice. All right, cool. Pretty out here though with all the ferns and stuff. Good Lord. Oh, I could hit that, I think. Nah, my dad's gone. I shouldn't. I gotta be smart. Ooh, being responsible sucks. I think we're gonna call it after the top. We get to the top of this climb because my back is killing me for some reason. My dad says his knee's hurting him. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. That was definitely a shorter video. It was fun though. Pretty wet out here today. Definitely like to come back someday when it's drier. But yeah, pretty fun. Peace out.